Grandma, look at your grandma go. Grandma go.
Whoa!
Oh,
Yeah, get it, Mikey, get it! Get it, Grandma. She does pretty good, huh? Doesn't she?
Yeah.
She does really, really good. Oh my God, she does better than I do. Get it, Mikey. Woo! You did good. Get it, Mikey.
Oh.
She kicks really good, doesn't she?
Yep.
Did you used to play soccer, Grandma, when you were younger? Did you play soccer when you were younger? You didn't? You seem like you did, huh, Mike?
Yeah.
Seriously, you, huh? Yeah, but you play good. You kick good. For being 90, how old are you, Grandma? 94? 94? You're 94 or 93?
No, don't make me 2 years old.
Okay, you're 92. That's old. Grandma, how many 92-year-olds kick a ball? Not very many. Oh my God, and drive their own car? Oh my God.
She'll be your soccer coach on my team.
She'll be your soccer coach. She's not even out of breath and we're all breathing hard. He don't stop laughing. He loves that. Look at him.